Hi viewers, how you doing? Hope you're all keeping well. In light of what's happening at the moment, I think it's even more important for everyone to be making money online. So I hope you've watched the last few videos and got a few tips. If you haven't, please watch them back. I'm not going to go over them in this episode. This is episode 5 of 40 before 40. A quick update on myself. My name's Celestine, for anyone who doesn't know me. I'm doing a 40 before 40 challenge, achieving 40 significant things before I'm 40, 36 right now. So I've been taking viewers on a bit of a journey, telling them how to create a bit of a fund so they can start investing and becoming financially free. And one of the things I wanted to tell people to do this week, if you haven't done it already, is to sign up to a cashback website. So there's two key ones that I'm actually registered with myself and I think are really good. First one's called Quidco. I've been with them for years. And another one is called Top Cashback. So I'm going to leave the link to both of these in the description below, and definitely check them out. So we've got Quidco, that's the first one, and the other one is Top Cashback. In these uncertain times where we're all going to be spending more money presumably online, if we're not going to be going out, isolating, what have you, then I think it's definitely the thing to do to sign up to a cashback website, Quidco or Top Cashback. But Top Cashback is the key one for me. Update on my 40 before 40 is that I am going to put a website out there. It's going to take me a couple of months so everyone can track the different challenges that I've set myself, and I'll let people know how I'm doing with those challenges. Obviously there'll be updates on the videos as well. Future videos will have better lighting and better sound, so apologies if anybody can't hear me clearly. But if you can, all good. I appreciate all the support so far, and let's keep it going, let's keep it moving. If you're not moving forward, you're standing still or going backwards, so don't forget that. Everyone be safe, wear gloves, wash your hands, 20 seconds minimum. Alright, take care, and subscribe.